Okay, Akash Chaudhary is here too. So hi, Akash Chaudhary. Okay, Akash Chaudhary is here too. So hi, Akash Chaudhary. Hey, Berry. Pretty sure. Oh my God. Okay, bye. Hey, Berry.
No.
Pretty sure. Oh my God. Okay, bye.
No.
Hi, Alishba. Hi, Manmohan ji. How are you? Hi, Alishba. Hi, Manmohan ji.
साथ मैंने बोला
हाय साथ, ठीक है? साथ मैंने बोला हाय साथ, ठीक है? कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बड़े टाइम बाद आई हूँ आज। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग?
लाइव और
मैं
मुझे
बड़े
बड़ा
टाइम
अच्छा
बाद
लग रहा
आई हूँ
है
आज।
और मैं आज आप सब
लाइव और
मुझे
मुझे
बड़ा
बड़ा
अच्छा लग रहा है
बहुत
और
सारी
मैं
बातें
आज
एंड आई एम श्योर आपके पास भी बहुत सारे
करने जा
सवाल
रही
हैं।
हूँ
सो
क्योंकि बहुत सारी बातें हैं
एंड आई एम श्योर आपके
मनमोहन
पास
जी,
भी
मैं
बहुत
भी
सारे
आपकी
सवाल हैं।
बहुत
ज़्यादा बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। मनमोहन जी, मैं भी आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ। Hi Sati, how are you? Sati is also here, Mohit. Hi Sati, how are you? Sati is also here, Mohit. Hi Ananya Deshmukh, how are you? Hi Ananya Deshmukh, how are you? So I am very well and I am
trying to be
very well
और
and
जैसे कि
I am
कोरोना वायरस ने हम लोगों का जीना
जैसे कि
थोड़ा मुश्किल कर रखा है
कोरोना
उसके
वायरस
बावजूद
ने हम
भी
लोगों का
आई एम
जीना
ट्राइंग टू थोड़ा मुश्किल
live
कर
a
रखा
life,
है उसके
a
बावजूद
better life
भी
without going
आई एम
out,
ट्राइंग टू
without meeting my
live a
friends.
life,
I have not met
a
my
better
friends
life without going out
since
without
meeting my friends. I have not met my friends
March 2020
since I miss Mohit, I miss Akash, I
March
miss
2020
तो मैं इन सबसे मिली नहीं हूँ कब से, तो मैं चाहती हूँ
आकाश
I miss Steph, तो मैं इन सबसे मिली नहीं हूँ कब से, तो मैं चाहती हूँ
मैं चाहती हूँ मैं आप लोगों से बहुत जल्दी मिलूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ मैं आप लोगों से बहुत जल्दी मिलूँ
Hi Nora Berry.
Thank you, Rohit.
ILY, that's my fan page. Tanzeen.
Hi, Nora Berry.
ILY, that's my fan page.
So what's up,
Tanzeen.
guys? कैसे चल रहा है आपका?
So what's
साथ-
up guys? कैसे चल रहा है?
मैं तेरे
आपका?
सपने में आती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इसलिए मैं
साथ-
तुझे मिली होंगी। मैं
चलो
तेरे सपने
guys,
में आती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, इसलिए मैं तुझे मिली होंगी।
चलो guys,
हाय विश। हाय
So guys,
विश।
जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, मतलब अब आप जान चुके हैं कि मैं
So guys, जैसे कि आप
कुमकुम
जानते
भाग्य का
हैं, मतलब
पार्ट
अब आप
नहीं
जान
हूँ।
चुके हैं कि मैं
और
कुमकुम भाग्य का
ये
पार्ट
जर्नी
नहीं
मेरी
हूँ।
रिया मेहरा की जर्नी
और,
खत्म होती है एंड
ये जर्नी मेरी
I know
रिया
it's a sad
मेहरा की जर्नी
part,
खत्म
but,
होती है एंड
I know it's a
sometimes
sad
when you have to
part,
move ahead,
but,
you have to leave few things. And I'm
sometimes
leaving it for
when
good.
you have to move ahead, you have to
And
leave
I
few
hope
things.
things
And
turn
I'm
out
leaving it for
really well
good.
after this
And I
because
hope
Kumkum Bhagya has
things
been
turn out
very,
really
very
well
close to
after
me.
this because
Yes, very.
Kumkum Bhagya
Sorry,
has been
guys.
very, very, very close to me.
इधर क्या
Yes, very.
क्या
Sorry guys.
What do you
wait.
want? क्या इधर What do you want? इधर क्या
क्या?
What do you want?
Yeah. So
What do
yeah,
you want?
so I'm gonna miss the show very much. I
Yeah.
spent like
So yeah, so I'm
almost
gonna
a
miss
year
the show very
in that
much.
show, and of
I
course,
spent
there
like
are some memories,
almost
there
a
are
year
some people that
in
I
that
want
show,
to, and of
you know,
course there are some
work
memories,
with
there are
again,
some people that I
and
want to,
my crew,
you know, my
work with again,
makeup
and,
dada, hair
my
didi,
crew,
my
everyone. So I'm
makeup
gonna miss
dada,
everybody.
hair didi, and
Everyone.
yeah.
So I'm
So
gonna
if you
miss
have any
everybody.
questions, please put it
And
down.
yeah.
So if you have any questions,
I am
please
not a
put it
part of
down.
yeah. So I have said it in interviews also. Now I'll say
I
it
am
for
not
you
a
also.
part
So
of yeah. So
basically,
I
I
have said it in
wasn't,
interviews also.
you
now
know,
I'll say it for
really
you also.
connecting
So
to
basically,
the
I
character
wasn't,
Riya Mehra.
you know,
I
really connecting
literally
to
felt
the character Riya Mehra. It was something that I don't want to do when I joined the show, and it was something that I was something that I don't wanted to do when I joined the show, and it was something that I was not told.
You know, every
And,
character has its life.
yeah,
and I think
but,
Riya
you know,
Mehra's life
every
is done.
character has
Because
its life,
repeating,
and I think
doing
Riya's
same thing
Riya
again and
Mehra's
again
life
is
is
not
done.
my thing. I rather
Because
want to
repeating,
explore my
doing
world
same
in
thing
acting
again and again is not
wanna,
my thing.
You know,
I
see
rather
new
want to
character, wanna
explore
part
my
world in acting,
wanna
and
perform new
wanna,
characters,
you know,
and
see new character,
if you
wanna part,
wanna do good in life,
wanna perform new characters.
मुझे लगता है कि
and
आपको उस जगह
if
से
you
निकल जाना
wanna
चाहिए
do
जो
good
आपको
in life,
अब ज़्यादा
तो
satisfy
मुझे
नहीं है।
लगता है कि आपको उस जगह से निकल जाना
इसलिए
चाहिए जो
मैंने वो
आपको
छोड़ दिया।
अब ज़्यादा
साहिल
satisfy
आनंद
नहीं
get
करता है।
lost.
So इसलिए मैंने
I
वो
will
छोड़ दिया।
block you
साहिल
from my
आनंद
live
get
session,
lost.
okay? Just get lost.
I will block you
Guys,
from
it's
my
Sahil
live
Anand, say bye to
session.
him.
Okay, just get lost. Guys, it's Sahil Anand.
अंकित सहगल का क्वेश्चन है लिप्स के साथ क्या कराया है रोडीज में तो ऐसे नहीं थे। अंकित सहगल का क्वेश्चन है लिप्स के साथ क्या कराया है रोडीज में तो ऐसी बात अगर आप स्प्लिट्सविला देखते अंकित सहगल पहली बात मैं रोडीज में नहीं थी और दूसरी बात अगर आप स्प्लिट्सविला देखते तो आपको मेरे होठ भी ऐसे ही लगते। थैंक यू प्रति। Thank you, Prati. Guys, I have to leave the show. It's just I was already in notice period. Guys, I have to leave the show. It's just
the show 6 months
I was
back.
already in notice period for 6 months, so I decided to leave the
August,
show 6 months
probably.
back.
The reason was one, I was not satisfied.
Another reason
was
one,
I was
I've
not
been getting a lot of
satisfied.
offers.
Another
A
reason
lot of
that
offers
from good
I've been
TV
getting a lot
shows
of
and
offers.
I'm not
A
saying that
lot
Kum
of
Bhagya is bad, but
offers
from good
TV shows and web
I'm not
series
saying
and
that Kum
movies.
Bhagya
So
is
I'm
bad,
gonna
but,
pick something wisely.
TV shows
ये
and
तो
web
हो
series
गया।
and movies.
So I'm
आगे
gonna pick
देखते
something
हैं क्या
wisely.
होता है।
So I
ये
want you to
तो
keep
हो
supporting
गया।
me as you have
अब
done
आगे देखते
in
हैं
Kum
क्या
Kum
होता है।
Bhagya, and
So I
please
want you to keep
doing
supporting me as you have done
in Kum Kum Bhagya, and
I have no
please
idea
keep doing
Rohit कब show
further.
start होगा because I don't
I have no idea
getting
Rohit कब
any
show start होगा
information
because I
about
don't
when it's starting, when it's not. So
getting
I can't
any
say anything
information
about when it's starting, when it's not. So I can't say anything about it.
हाँ साथ मैं घर पे ही हूँ मेरा डोंगा वापस कर दो।
मुझे
हाँ
मेरा
साथ
डोंगा
मैं
चाहिए।
घर पे ही हूँ मेरा डोंगा
सही
वापस
बोली
कर
लड़की।
दो। हाय
मुझे मेरा
नितिन।
डोंगा चाहिए।
कैसे हो
सही
बेटे,
बोली
तुम्हारा
लड़की।
तो फोन आने वाला
हाय
था अभी तक फोन नहीं
नितिन।
आया। कैसे हो बेटे, तुम्हारा तो फोन आने वाला था अभी तक फोन नहीं आया।
ये लड़का
Yes, I remember Bharat Foundation. It has been my very, very dear
Yes,
school
I
back
remember
in Bharat
Moradabad.
Foundation. It has been my very,
Yeah, are you
very
from
dear
my
school back
school?
in Moradabad.
I don't know.
Yeah, are you from my school?
I don't know.
So there's this BB_29. He said, "Hey Naina, I can feel your
So there's
stress."
this BB
Okay,
_29.
He
He
said, "Hey Naina,
part
I
you
can
played,
feel
but
your
trust
stress."
me, everyone will miss
Okay,
you, and
how
no
you
one
would
wants
be
you
feeling about
to
the
leave
part
the
you
show
played,
as
but
no
trust
one
me,
can
everyone
replace
will miss
Leah.
you,
and no one wants
thank
you
you so
to
much.
leave the show
but,
as no one
the
can
time has
replace
come and
Leah.
somebody has to
thank you
replace
so
Leah.
much, but
So, but thank
the
you
time
so
has
much,
come
guys,
and
somebody
I'm
has
going
to
to
replace
replace
this
Leah.
show. So, but
Two,
thank you so much,
and
guys,
I'm gonna
and
miss all my
I'm
fans.
going to miss
But
the
I think
show.
fans are going to stay so
Too.
and
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss all my
Somebody
fans.
will
But I
come,
think fans are going to stay so
like initially when
Yeah.
we came, the new
Somebody will
generation,
come,
nobody,
like,
few
like
people
initially
were
when we
not ready
came,
to accept
the new
us.
generation,
And
nobody,
slowly
like,
and
few
gradually
people were not ready to
accepted
accept us.
Now अब जब नई
And
री आएगी
slowly
तो
and
लोग उसे भी
gradually
accept कर
people
लेंगे.
accepted
It's okay.
us.
Now अब जब नई री आएगी तो लोग उसे भी accept कर लेंगे. It's okay. Thank you, Joshua. I'm glad. Thank you. Thank you, Joshua. I'm साहिल आनंद भाई को बोलो. I know he's hockey fan. उसी हॉकी के डंडे से मैं साहिल आनंद भाई को बोलो. I know he's hockey fan. उसी हॉकी के डंडे से मैं साहिल आनंद का मुंह फोड़ सकती हूँ उस टाइम. Hi Jia. Hi Jia. Yeah, there are web series and अगर अभी लॉकडाउन नहीं हुआ होता अभी ये सब अगर अभी
कोरोना
लॉकडाउन
वायरस के
नहीं
झंझट
हुआ
नहीं चल
होता
रहे थे,
अभी
तो
मैं
ये
शायद
सब,
से ऑलरेडी वेब सीरीज
कोरोना
की शूट
वायरस
स्टार्ट
के
भी कर
झंझट
दी
नहीं
होती.
चल रहे थे,
बट अब
तो मैं शायद
लॉकडाउन
से
हो
already
चुका है
web
अभी
series
भी
की
शूट
shoot
स्टार्ट भी कर दी
होंगे,
होती.
नहीं होंगे, क्या
But अब
होगा, कब
लॉकडाउन
तक
हो
शुरू
चुका
होगा,
है अभी
कुछ नहीं पता, so I
कुछ
really
नहीं
can't say
होंगे
anything
क्या
about
होगा कब तक
anything
शुरू
right
होगा
now.
कुछ नहीं पता, so I really can't say anything about anything
Why am I
right
cute
now.
dogs?
Chadu, come here. Why am I cute dogs? Chadu, come here. That's Lola. Lola, come. Baby. Come. That's Lola.
Yes,
Lola,
everybody.
Baby.
Hello. Yes,
That's
everybody.
Jordu. Where's Jordu? That's Jordu.
Hello.
That's Jordu. Where's Jordu? Ay, that's Jordu.
Yeah.
Ay.
Yeah.
Nitin, you go back to Kumkum Bhagya. Nitin, you go back to Kumkum Bhagya. Hi, Ella. Hello. See them. Look at them.
What are you looking for?
Hi, Ella. Hello.
So ये रहे बच्चे मेरे. What are you looking for? So ये रहे
Hi,
बच्चे मेरे.
Archie. Hi, Archie. This is Ella. Hello.
Yeah.
This is Ella. Hello. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, बट जो नई रिया आएगी वो भी अच्छा ही करेगी. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज, बट जो नई रिया आएगी वो भी अच्छा ही करेगी. उसको भी इतना ही प्यार बरसाना, पर थोड़ा सा कम. नाइस रिया, सो आप उसको भी इतना ही प्यार बरसाना, पर थोड़ा सा कम. थैंक यू धवीश फैन क्लब. I have no idea guys who's going to replace me because there is no confirmation yet and there is no news from the production house. There is no confirmation yet and there is no news from the production house, and I'm not sure and I cannot comment on anything. Okay Nitin. Okay Nitin. There is this Harshit Wagila, he says there is this Harshit Wagila, he says please don't come and show. Okay, I will not come. आपकी मनोकामना पूरी हुई तथास्तु. Okay, I will not come. आपकी मनोकामना पूरी हुई तथास्तु. Yes, I am still connected with Basir. Yes, I am still connected with Basir. I give my love to Surat. I give my love to Surat. So my skin routine is very simple. So my skin routine is you know very simple. Whenever I have small Dani, then what I do, in the night when I go to sleep, I put Dani, then what I do, in the night when I go to sleep, I put Boro Plus on my face and then I sleep. So it just disappears. Lolu! Thank you, Garima. Thank you, Garima. Hi, Mona, I love you. So there's just Mona. She is my. Hi, Mona, I love you. So there's just Mona. She is my. She's my elder sister. We have been together since. I think she's my elder sister. We have been together since Kolkata, and since then we are together. 6-7 years. We have been in Kolkata. And since then we are together. And Mona, I love you. And ये मुझे छोड़ के US चली गई. And Mona, I love you. And ये मुझे छोड़ के US चली गई जल्दी से वापस. अब हम कब मोना आप आए जल्दी से वापस. अरे Happy birthday Pinu. What is my workout routine? There is no workout routine these days, guys. What is my workout routine? There is no workout routine these days, guys. Oh, thank you, guys. Oh, thank you, guys. हाँ, ये है Genix V _ Bob. आपको आपके फैंस की कसम है मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दो. _ चलो आप अपना क्वेश्चन तो पूछो पहले. फैंस की कसम है मेरे क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे दो. चलो आप अपना क्वेश्चन तो पूछो पहले. Also, I've changed a lot. Yes, I was in Don Bosco. Back in also, I've changed a lot. Many schools in hostels. Back in hostels, my school days, I was. So guys, one more thing. Tomorrow I'm gonna be live with Times of India. So guys, one more thing. Tomorrow I'm gonna be live with Times of India at 6 o'clock. So you better be there. नहीं दे पाऊँगी तो कल सारे questions आप लोग पूछेंगे and then नहीं you can come and you know point out your questions and whatever you want to talk. You can come and you know point out your questions. So there was nothing. So okay. So I don't have a problem playing negative character. So it's not that I don't have a problem playing. I don't want to play negative or it's not that my major issue I don't want to play negative or something like that. My major issue was moving in a loop. That she was not doing anything in a loop. Even in negative character, she was not like doing anything negative. भी कुछ even in negative character, something like you know, अगर negative भी. But I think same thing again and again I'm doing, and I was not satisfied. Better, so yeah. But I think same thing again and again I'm doing, and I was not only negative. It's being Riya is not only negative to my friends because. My fans are very young. To my friends because majorly my fans are very young. 16, this teenagers. Majorly and Riya would do things which 16 this teenagers. Normal teenagers and Riya would do things which a person would never do. Teenager should never do. and I don't wanted my fans to,
and they should never do.
See that,
and I don't wanted my
watch
fans
me doing all of
to,
that stuff,
because people say that
see
I inspire
and
them. My fan
watch
pages
me
say
doing
that
all
I
of that
inspire
stuff,
them. So
because
I
people say that I
continue on to inspire them.
my
I don't
fan
want to
pages
play
say
a
that I
character
inspire
where
them, so I
is
continue on to inspire
them. I don't want to play a
where I'm
character where
portraying
it
something
is
which is
not right. So yeah,
where I'm portraying something
and
which
doing
is
a negative in
not
TV
right.
and doing
So, yeah.
negative in movies or web
And
series
doing
is a negative in TV and doing negative
a very
in
big
movies or
difference
web
because
series is a क्या होता है कि आप जब टीवी में नेगेटिव करते
very
हो
big
तो this is
difference
one
because
character that you have to
क्या होता है
live
कि
with
आप जब TV
12
में
hours
negative
a
करते
day
हो तो
this is
and,
one character that you have
throughout
to
the
live
year
with
till the show goes
12
on.
hours a day
With web
and,
series, it's a particular
throughout
time
the year
आपको
till the
थोड़ी
show
time के
goes
लिए वो
on.
character दिया जाता है,
With
आपको
web
उसको
series
थोड़े दिन
it's a
तक जीते हैं
particular
and वो
time
character
आपको
खत्म हो
थोड़े
जाता है।
टाइम के लिए वो कैरेक्टर दिया
ऐसे
जाता है
ही
आप
movies में होता है।
थोड़े दिन
So
तक जीते हैं
personally
and वो
मैं ये नहीं कह रही
character
कि
खत्म हो
किसी को negative नहीं करना चाहिए,
ऐसी
जो
movies
लोग
में
negative कर रहे
so
हैं वो गलत कर रहे
personally
हैं,
मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि
सबके
किसी को
अपनी अपनी
negative नहीं
choice
करना
है,
चाहिए,
मुझे
जो
negative
लोग
नहीं
negative
करना,
कर रहे हैं वो गलत
मुझे
कर रहे
negative
हैं
नहीं पसंद आया,
सबके
so
अपनी
it's
अपनी
my
चॉइस है मुझे नेगेटिव नहीं करना मुझे नेगेटिव नहीं पसंद आया सो इट्स माय थिंग Nitin, please tell me who has replaced me because I don't know.
Nitin, please
And
tell
I
me
don't believe the news.
who has replaced
me because I don't know, and I don't believe the news yet. I'm gonna miss you all too, guys, and for 100%, I'm gonna miss Riya a lot. And
I will
for
miss
100%, I'm gonna miss
up,
Riya a
like,
lot.
I used to,
I will miss.
I think the best
dressing
part about
up,
being Riya
like,
was
I used
I
to,
could dress up every
think the
day
best
with
part
my
about being
favorite
Riya was
costumes, and I could dress
and
up
the
every day with my
extravaganza
favorite
hairstyle
costumes and
makeup
and the
and everything. So
extravaganza
yeah, I'm gonna miss
hairstyle and that
makeup
part.
and everything. So yeah, I'm
Hey,
gonna
and I'm gonna miss
that part.
Ashlesha.
My baby
Hey, and
is
I'm
here,
gonna
so
miss
I'm gonna miss the
Ashlesha.
most one person
My
that I'm
baby
gonna
is
miss.
here,
So I'm gonna
really
miss
bad
the
is
most
Ashlesha,
one person
and the
that I'm
other
gonna
person
miss
is
really
my
bad is
hair
Ashlesha,
didi,
and the other
Shabana
person
di.
is so these two people
my
I'm gonna
hair
miss
didi.
like Shabana di. So these
And
two
I'm gonna
people
miss everybody, of
miss,
course,
like,
but these two people I'm gonna. And
miss
I'm gonna miss
working
everybody, of course, but these two people I'm gonna miss working with. How are you, Ash? How are you, Ash? Hi, Akriti Sinha. How are you? Ash, baby, I love you.
Akriti
Please come
Sinha,
soon.
how are
Yeah,
you?
you're just stuck there. मतलब stay there
Ash,
until
baby, I
things
love
go
you.
better
Please
here.
come soon. Yeah,
But I miss
you're
you
just
very
stuck
much.
there.
मतलब stay there until things go better here. But I miss you very much. Hi, Shivani. Hi, Shivani. Do you have squinty eyes? Yeah, मेरी कभी कभी आँख ऐसी हो जाती है जब मैं बहुत tired
Do
होती
you
हूँ.
have squinty
तो यार
eyes? Yeah,
शायद
मेरी
से.
कभी कभी आँख ऐसी
और इस
हो
टाइम
जाती
तो
है
मेरा
जब मैं बहुत
काजल
tired
लाइनर
होती
भी
हूँ.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम कर
तो
रहा है,
यार
मुझे भी
शायद
लग रहा है.
से.
Thanks for noticing.
और इस टाइम तो मेरा काजल लाइनर भी
The other day, one of my friend and me
Thanks
was
for
talking
noticing.
about the same
Yeah.
problem.
The other day, one of my friend and me was talking about the
And
same
that friend is
problem.
Mohit Hiranandani.
And that friend is Mohit Hiranandani. Alicia Splitsvilla wali. No, guys. There's this.
Alicia Splitsvilla wali.
the girl
No,
who
guys.
plays
There's
Meera.
this. Her name is Ashlesha, and
the
I'm gonna
girl
miss
who
her
plays
so
Meera.
much. Her name is Ashlesha, and I'm gonna miss her so much.
Your issue should be an issue. That is my permanent issue, and
Your
I need to call
issue
you
should
after
be
this
an issue.
video
That
call.
is
I'm
my
calling you,
permanent
okay?
issue,
So
and I need to
better
call you
not be
after this
busy. Video call. I'm calling you, okay? So better not be busy.
Anshu Chaudhary, hi. I'm sorry, guys. Comments नीचे चले जाते हैं और फिर मुझे पता नहीं चलता.
Anshu Chaudhary, hi. I'm sorry, guys. Comments नीचे चले जाते हैं और फिर मुझे पता नहीं चलता. Thank you, guys. I know I'm gonna miss Riya. Thank you guys. Splitsvilla is not scripted and I don't want to talk about
Splitsvilla, it's a history.
Splitsvilla is
It's
not
2017
scripted and I don't want to talk
people who are
about
still
Splitsvilla.
stuck
It's
with
a history.
Splitsvilla.
It's
They are
2017
whacked in
and
their
people
head.
who are still
So no
stuck
more questions
with
about
Splitsvilla.
They are whacked in their head. So no more questions about Splitsvilla.
Thank you, Shomilita. Shomil. Sorry, Thank you, Shomiliti. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Shomiliti. I have no idea when Kumkum Bhagya will start shooting. I'm not blind. I have no idea when Kumkum Bhagya will start shooting. I'm not blind. I'm squinting. Hi Nabeshek, how are you? Hi Nabeshek, how are you? I can read your comment, Nishant. I can read your comment and I'm gonna call you. I can read your comment, Nishant. I can read your comment and I'm gonna call you. Tell your hi, Supriya. Please tell your mother hi from my side. Tell your hi, Supriya. Please tell your mother hi from my side. Hi, Sushmita. एक बार फिर से स्प्लिट्सविला में आ जाओ. एक बार फिर से स्प्लिट्सविला में आ जाओ. Guys, Akash is not my boyfriend. We are best friends, and guys, Akash is not my boyfriend.
Everyone,
we are best friends, and I will still
I've been telling this.
We are not in a
since 3 years
relationship.
now, and
He
I
is
will
my best
still continue
friend,
saying this.
and some
We are not in a
relationship
relationship.
actually a
He
pure
is my best friend,
where there
and
is
some
nothing
relationship
like
falling in
actually
love.
a
I love
pure.
him. He loves me,
Where
but we
there
love each
is
other
nothing
as
like falling
each
in love. I
other's
love
best
him.
friend. So
He
there
loves
is
me,
no
but we love each other
relationship.
as. I'm making it
Other's
official
best
today. There is
friends.
no
There is
relationship,
no
between
relationship.
me and Akash. We
I'm
are
making
best
it official
friends. The
today.
only
There is no
relationship
relationship
between
I'm
me
not
and Akash.
dating
We are
him.
best friends. The only relationship is that. I'm not dating him. Thank you guys for so much of love. क्या कहते हैं
Thank you
आपने
guys
मुझे इतना सारा
so much
प्यार
of
दिया
love.
कुमकुम भाग्य में
क्या कहते
और
हैं आपने मुझे
मैंने
इतना
उम्मीद
सारा
नहीं की थी कि
प्यार
after
दिया
being
कुमकुम
negative
भाग्य में
character after
और
playing
मैंने
negative
उम्मीद नहीं की थी कि
people are
after
going to
being
love me so
negative
much.
character
Thank
after
you
playing
so much for
negative
loving me.
character people are going to love me so
will
much
make you
and
proud
thank
in
you so
everything
much for
I'll
loving
do.
me
And please be with me
I will
throughout
make you
and
proud in
because
everything
this is the time
I'll
where
do.
I need you
And
most.
please be
because
with
now
me throughout and
I have to
because
start my new
this
journey.
is the time where I need you
And in
most
this new
because
journey
now
I really want you to be
I have to
with
start
me
my new journey
and in this new
so
journey I
please
really
be
want
there.
you to be with
And
me.
I love you
And,
all, so
I'm signing off now.
So please be
And,
there.
and
I'm
I love
hungry,
you
मुझे
all,
बहुत भूख
so
लग
I'm
रही है।
signing off now.
और please आप
And,
सब अपना ख्याल
I'm hungry,
रखिएगा
मुझे
and
बहुत
I love
भूख लग
you.
रही है। And Anmol
और,
Chaudhary is here.
please
Anmol
आप सब
Chaudhary,
अपना ख्याल
please
रखिएगा
people.
and I love you.
Please
and
tell
Anmol
people
Chaudhary
who's
is
your
here.
boyfriend.
Anmol Chaudhary, please
Anmol
people,
Chaudhary,
please tell
मेरा
people who's your
boyfriend
boyfriend.
कभी कभी
Anmol
होता है
Chaudhary,
जिससे भी मैं फोन पे
मेरा
बात कर रही होती हूँ,
boyfriend
जैसे कि कभी कभी होता
plumber,
है जिससे भी मैं
AC
फोन
ठीक
पे
करने
बात
वाला
कर रही होती
because
हूँ,
the
जैसे
only
कि
conversation long
plumber
conversation I have
AC ठीक
is
करने
with
वाला
these
because the
भैया
only
लोग
conversation
यार कि मेरा
long
AC ठीक कर दो
conversation I
मेरा
have is with
एक्वागार्ड
these
ठीक कर
भैया
दो
लोग
मेरा
यार कि मेरा
ये
AC
ठीक कर दो मेरा
एक्वागार्ड ठीक कर दो मेरा ये ठीक कर दो
Anmol Chaudhary get lost.
Yes, I'm
Anmol
Anam
Chaudhary get
Shahruk's
lost.
friend. Yes, I'm Anam
Nishan
Shahruk's
Bhatt says
friend.
tell them that he's my boyfriend. Okay, you are my boyfriend. Okay. Nishan Bhatt says tell them that he's my
Hi,
boyfriend. Okay,
Bhavna.
you are my boyfriend. Okay. Chalo guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna eat something.
Hi,
I'm so
Bhavna.
hungry. I'm gonna see you tomorrow at
Chalo
6
guys, I'm
o'clock.
gonna go. I'm
At
gonna
Times
eat
of
something. I'm so
India's
hungry.
page,
I'm gonna
okay?
see you tomorrow at
So
6
stay
o'clock
tuned and I
at
love
Times
you
of
and keep
India's
showering your
page,
love.
okay?
So stay tuned and I love you and keep showering your love and